So, yes, on the discussion on the road board, ang pinag-usapan namin, magkakaroon po kami ng mini caucus with the Majority Leader Andaya, soon as possible time. Sinusubukan po namin either tonight or tomorrow, unang-una para pag-usapan anong parameters ng amendments for the kung sakaling ibabawi namin for Bicam discussion muli ang MVUC abolition. Kung okay naman yung proposal, because many colleagues would like, some of our colleagues would like tuloy na lang yung adoption ng House measure. Pero meron katulad ni Senator Ralph Recto na ang gusto po nila ay talagang gawin na ilagay ang pera sa national budget na hindi na po siya off budget. In other words, automatic pag-collect ng MVUC funds or itong motor vehicle users tax, diretso na po siya sa national treasury. And then to be discussed every budget hearing where you will appropriate, no?